Hello, good afternoon, dear students. Myself, Professor Sapna Sharma from Business Administrative Campus, BBA Department. So today, students, I am here to explain you all about the social media marketing. As we all know that social media has played a very tremendous role in everyone's life. Like it is, you can say it is the most important part of your life. Just like you people are having the five sense of organs, so you have also included one sense of organ that is nothing but the social media. So social media is not only impacting the personal life, along with the personal life, it is also impacting a lot onto your business world. Nowadays, the people are not only doing the manual type of business, they are doing the online business because they find that online business is more suitable in today's generation. People love to do the things online. They don't prefer to go for the things with manual level, with with the physical appearances and all. So you can say that social media is a kind of art, and with the help of this art we people are using the virtual world, and with the help of that virtual world we are doing each and everything that belongs to our day to day chores and all. So not only that business, in fact we can do a lot of things. Excuse me. We can create the brands. Okay, we can make people to communicate more and more, because it leads to a great impact onto the conversations. We can also handle the different type of sales tracking also. We can do, we can easily come to know how many people are viewing our pages, how many people likes the thing that we people are doing currently. It has given a very abundant of exposure in terms of online business, and it is not that much difficult also. It is having very low cost. The sales of the business also increases. The website is also it also become very much popular and all. So with the help of social media marketing, it make the people to come together and to build the good type of the communication, the good type of businesses and all. So when you talk about social media, so we have the various type of social media networks like Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, and there are a lot of other social media websites which are helping the people to overcome with the problem of manualness and to make this world more and more digitized. So as you people can see that when you talk about the social media using the Twitter, yes, with the help of Twitter, we totally focus on to the brand promotions, and with the help of bloggings and all, right? With the help of bloggings, we can create the blogs. We can add some tweets onto it, and we can easily promote our particular brand. With the help of it, we not only make the relationship with the people, but yes, we make a powerful relationship with respect to our brand, with respect to our products that we people are actually selling out and all. It's a huge platform, dear student, because as we know that tons and peoples are using Twitter every day at every instant of time, so it bring a lot of advantage for our business so far. Okay, so we have a lot of the various type of techniques that are being invented inside Twitter, and we can easily elaborate our particular business. We can easily get exposure with multiple customers, and we can understand what are their views and what are their ideas, and we can implement all those things. So in this particular slide I have mentioned each and everything. Okay, for example, here we are having one logic, like for example we have 100 members, so out of 100 members we can at least get 70 followers. We can easily make that thing, but we should have that smartness, we should have that kind of affiliations. Next, if you considered it will be making more and more trust onto your particular the product or the business that you people are using. But you need to make sure that you people always upload the genuine content in the sense photos and logos or the product images and everything. First you have to value your particular business, then only others will be valuing your particular product. Okay, that is the main thing that we actually do it. And there are a lot of the small scale businesses, those small scale businesses are being running, I can give you the example of it. For example, someone is very much passionate about the cooking, so they try to post different type of cooking recipes and all. If people like it, then you can understand how the people will be. If you put something bad content also, then also it will be viral. If you put some kind of good content, then also it will be viral. So it provide you the add-on values on the basis of what you are doing currently, right? So next is you are using the Facebook. Facebook is giving you kind of flexibility of making your own Facebook page, where you can start your online business. You can upload your particular content and everything onto it. You just provide each and every information. So that's what I have made the point. We can create the pages for our product, for our organization, for whatever we people are doing. We upload our particular photos, our videos or links or whatever. We do the blogging, we do the live streaming over there. We create a lot of different kind of activities and all. Even you can also mention like what will be coming next, your upcoming events and all. You understand, you get to know how many are current existing customers and how many are coming new. There is a lot of differentiation. You would have already learned about it. Click and rate, how many clicks are there per day, what is the per click rate also. You do a lot of stuffs. You can understand how much your business is going on daily basis, onto the monthly basis, onto the weekly basis. Everything you come to know. You have the proper management over there. You can do a lot of things with the help of Facebook. See, Facebook is very much familiar among everyone. ऐसा हो सकता है, it can happen the people are using less Twitter. Imagine if you have a kind of community where the people are using less Twitter, but there you will be having a good percentage of the people who are using the Facebook more. So you can do over there also. You can also include some promotion codes, some coupons and all to all those members who belong to your particular page, who are the regular customers or the clients and all. Because Facebook is having a very big connectivity so far. It gives you a tremendous level of services, and those are very much classified something very much different. So you can go ahead a very big sales with respect to the Facebook usage and all. Next, if you talk about, that is the LinkedIn. See, LinkedIn is a kind of social media area where professionalism goes very much promptly. It strike the professionalism. Everything is very much proper. So LinkedIn is not only for one to one communication. Even it make us to do the things in terms of groups, right? There we have a lot of opinions. We can create a lot of opinions. We can go ahead with a lot of suggestions and all. So LinkedIn is something very much different, where you showcase your professionalism with respect to your particular, you can say, your business. There you have to showcase your skills, the actual skills of the business skills, you can say, with the mannerful way. Right or not? See, so with the help of LinkedIn, you not only create a network, but in fact along with that you create a professional network. Means you get the people who are just like you, who are doing the same type of work, or who have the knowledge onto the things which you are doing currently. And it increases the level of communication, the level of visibility, with respect to the market and all, and it enhances the connectivity a lot, dear student. It not only enhances, it can improve, it can make the things more great and great. Along with that, it also improves your particular what you can say Google page rank also, means how much you are famous so far. The people should recognize you, right? The people should not only recognize you, but it also recognize your particular business. It enhances your particular, what you say, your search result also, search engine result also, right? It go for a lot of things, do a lot of things for your particular company, for your particular businesses. It create the references. We not only, so like LinkedIn is very much famous for job searches, relevant job searches, I must say. It is used into the different various kind of industries, various kind of companies and all. It is very much good for startups and all. Next is social media marketing using other sites, like for example we have faves. We people really don't know the faves. Why? What is the reason behind it? Because it is not that much famous. Like for what purpose we can use faves? We can use faves for like for example I have create new products, so I can easily promote it, dear student. Okay, along I should have the appropriate images, and with the help of images the promotion become very much easy. With the help of faves, I can invite some expert, I can have a good discussions, not only the expert but the people who are surrounded to me. Okay, we can have some kind of like an opinion polls on also onto our product, onto our the things that we people are doing. So we people can use faves in multiple ways. This will help us a lot. A lot means a lot, dear student. Trust me, social media marketing has made a great jump into your digitization. Nowadays, everyone is thinking to implement the technology, to implement the digitization into their business. Because nowadays, the business is no longer a kind of manual business. You have to think into a different manner. Next is delicious. Delicious is we can create and share bookmarks. Bookmarks means something very much important, which is very much important, and we will be using that stuff again and again recursively. We can create our own network with the help of delicious. We can input some keywords so that anybody can use it. With the help of delicious, our social network get increases a lot. A lot means a lot, dear students. So you can make sure that with the help of the social media, how much impactful it will be. That is the most important thing that you have to understand so far. In your previous videos, you would have already understood how the things are moving on. How social media, how this, what you can say, digital marketing is creating a lot of impact, right? Nowadays, we know the various type of businesses, that is business to business, like B2C, that is business to customer, like C2C, customer to customer. We have a lot of provisions to do the things. Okay. Now, next is these are the various type of some famous social media sites, dear students. So here you can find out uh, Alexa ranking is something different, page rank is something different, and category is something different. Like Alexa means how many people are asking Alexa to to open these websites and all. Then page rank means what? Like, where they are lying so far. And then category, what type of content they are having. Like for example, if you talk about the metcafe.com, it is having the category so called as video, means you will be finding the videos inside it. If you talk about the reddit.com, then you will be finding some general type of content, only normal content. If you talk about the subscribe.com, then you will be finding some articles inside it. If you talk about the technocraty.com, here you will be finding only blogging, nothing else. So there are the various type of categories that your websites are using. In terms of Alexa ranking means how many people asked Alexa to open these type of websites and all. So we have the ranking in terms of that also, along with the Alexa on Google page also. What is the ranking onto the Google page? So you can understand how much people are using it. Internet is not a small thing that we people are actually having the good implementation on. It's a huge, huge, huge world, dear student. A world more bigger than a earth itself, you can say. You will be finding abundant of data. The data can be anything. It can be the properly structurized data. It can be unstructured data. But yes, you will be getting the data. It may or may not be useful for you, right? Next is like this. We have we have so many things into our world. In next particular PPTs, dear student, we will come to know a more deeply what this marketing so called as, how it is so important, why it is giving us so much importance in terms of the business orientation. Not only in terms of business orientation, we help the social media in terms of various things in educational field, in kind of public opinion you can say, in kind of surveys you can say. With the help of the social media, the work has been it became very much ease. It became very much easy for us. We can brand our own particular institute, we can brand our own particular organization in front of others. It is not important that everyone should recognize it, but yes, we can use the social media site, so you can use this social media marketing in order to enhance yourself, in order to make your particular business worldwide. If you want that your business should be recognized by the others, your business should be viewed by the others, you have to use it. Because what happened, everyone uses the social media. I think so hardly there are 0.1% type of people who are not using the social media, but majority of people are using the social media in various terms, in various ways. So you can understand how much value the social media is giving to your particular business, to your own personality, to your own way of doing the things. And social media always tries to do the things into a dynamic manner. Dynamicity is always there. Always there means always there. You can customize your things into your own way, whatever you want. You can make it to happen into your own way, right? Without having any issues so far. So, dear students, I can understand, the people are doing a lot of, they have some kind of problems also with respect to the social medias and all. Like you people would have experienced a lot of hacking, a lot of, the bluffing, or you can say fake datas, fake type of things. But it is only a smallest area. You can consider it a very smallest area of social media which is having the drawback. Whereas the other parts, if you talk about 95% or 98% of social media is very much useful. Who is not using? Everyone is using. Even banks are also using it. If they want to promote their any of the what you can say scheme, or any kind of loan, or any kind of implementation that they have done, so they will be requiring marketization, right? And marketization is very much important. If you want to make your business worldwide, then you have to do the marketization so far. Because with the help of marketization, you easily able to understand the things. And when you do the marketization of your particular business, you understand where your business is lacking and where your particular business is not lacking so far. Right? So this is what your social media is giving you in return. And you should appreciate all those stuffs also, I think so. So students, today we will stop here only. In the next particular session, we will go ahead with another concept of social media. So thank you so very much for attending the session. See you into the next part.